Something guys, the usual shift here. Well, I've just gone to collect the car. She back. Yeah, new manifolds on. No crack there. It's all good. New material. Hopefully it stays that way. I'll keep everyone posted on that. Now, this is why I'm gonna make sure everyone knows what's going on, because this is what's left of the old one. Oh, actually, hold on. I never knew how handy the rear of this little parcel shelf is. I can actually do some reviews here. But yeah, you can tell how hot it got because it actually changed the colour of the actual joiners itself. Now see how massive that crack was. Fucking hell. And it was just increasingly getting worse up until it would have cracked at the top. Yeah, now this is the piss take. Now, the tuner that I originally used and got the car tuned. One series with a full cylinder in it. Cute. But anyway, so from the original turbo you get these little gaskets, these little O-ring gasket type things, the metal. Yeah. So these are still reused from the standard turbo. The fuck thing is, when my tuner installed them, he did not install 6, and that's pretty fucked up if you think about it, because obviously this needs to there needs to be ones here so you can actually prevent exhaust gases from leaking. But I was spending a lot of fuel, a lot of emissions and shit, and you can actually see that's why this is black. It's actually completely changed colour from the fact it wasn't even put on in the first place. Just fucked. It'd be one thing if it actually got blown off, but yeah, my garage I usually go to, yeah, fucked it, and so it's pretty much a letdown from my tuner side, can't lie. Yeah, I don't know if I'll be going back there. Yeah, manifold is still pretty solid, still, but that is definitely a part, like an area of weakness. Yeah, it's nasty that. Don't know if I can shine a light down there. Oh right, it's on this side. Yeah, you can actually see. Yeah, so yeah. Right, so I've got a manifold with these rings on, and the gaskets and that. But yeah, just wanted to have a little update. I'm going to be driving the car, see how it goes. Might have to take it to another tuner because, yeah, I don't trust him at all with the car whatsoever. But yeah, so I'll continue updates on the car. Might need to clean it. It's always one issue or another, but hey, that's what comes with the big boy builds, isn't it? Yeah, man. Yeah. Cause at least got a fucking solid manifold on. Yeah, I'll catch you man later. Stay tuned for more updates. There it is.